Sega Genesis, waiting for the right text, hoping she can come over. I got the music playing with some incense, burning some ingredients for some cranberry mimosas. Player shit, cause when we speak the conversation, immaculate white robe with my name, Pretty Ricky Spectacular. It's the choice that I make when I play on the vinyl, a victim of my wordplay. I lay my tongue on the spinal, according to her girlfriends. I just wanna fuck you, but she just left her man, cause all he wanna do was cuddle. D-Lo Brown ass nigga, he was down on the low. My favorite wrestler, Godfather, he be training these hoes, but I'ma play it smooth, just like I laid in the snow. Get the Cavassier, open glass table full of cups, you just better have a coaster. We ain't chasing drinks with no motherfucking soda, connecting with her mind while I'm playing with the Yoda. She trying not to scream, but I'ma make this bitch yodel her to knock at the door. I think her friends coming over, hold up. Cause I remember all the girls that gave me no chance. Now they wanna come to the crib drinking, smoking, hold hands. Damn, I'm going deep inside your ocean. Try my best not to drown if you down to slow dance. Yeah.
So hey guys, it's Taylor. So I'm back. Basically this is kind of like my review for this hair. The video that you just saw was like maybe 2 weeks ago, and that was me like basically installing the hair for the iSEE flip over method. Don't mind this bobby pin, y'all. I had to make it a blend, but basically like my install of the iSEE flip over method and how I just basically sew it around or whatever. So yeah, this is like the 2-week review or whatever, and as you can see, I done dyed the hair. It took the dye pretty well, very well actually. So I give it a 10 out of 10 as far as like coloring goes. As far as like length, I guess I will say that's 10 out of 10 as well, because I got 20 inches. I cut off just a little bit, just a couple, not even an inch. I cut off just like the scraggly end and stuff like that, but it pretty much is true to length, so I give them that. But let's talk about this texture. Where's the texture says? I just want to fucking know. I go to freaking Sade Watkins videos, you know what I'm saying, her beautiful ass, and I want what she has. You know, she's always on there every week with her pretty ass hair, talking about iSEE beauty, iSEE beauty. This is how I straighten my iSEE beauty hair. This is how I dye my iSEE beauty hair. Mongolian Kiki Curly, Mongolian Kiki Curly. This ain't no motherfucking Mongolian Kiki Curly. I don't know what the fuck this is, but it's not Mongolian Kiki Curly. Let's talk about that. So I'm gonna give you the specs on the hair. So basically, I ordered the 3-bundle pack. I didn't get a closure or anything. I ordered the 3-bundle pack, which was, I got 2 18 inches and then I got 1 16-inch. Cool. And it ended up coming out to be like $87, but then I used this $5 coupon that I had to search for. I believe the coupon code was My Beauty, all capital letters, and it took out $5, so my total was like $82 and some change, which ain't really bad, you know what I'm saying? Like, a cool little deal for under $100, 3 bundles. That's real cute or whatever. But I'm just really disappointed in the texture overall. Like, my ends are just like, what are those? You know, like, what is it? I don't understand what's going on. It just doesn't provide like that really coily texture that you see on Sade's hair, you know what I'm saying, like from root to end type of thing. It's just like, I want this, you know what I'm saying, a nice little wraparound ringlets. This is what it's doing. It's doing an S type of thing. Like, I don't understand like what's going on. I didn't order the S curl, I ordered the Mongolian Kiki Curly. So I'm confused. And let's talk about shedding. It doesn't shed too much. Oh, there it goes. There's a piece of hair as I'm talking about. It doesn't shed. It doesn't shed that much. But it just doesn't, I don't know. Like, after a while, I'm just like over it. Like, I don't get that shine. I put like my mousse on there. I put my Eagle Styling Jamaican Black Castor Oil gel on there, you know what I'm saying? And just like, it doesn't give me an oomph. It doesn't give me that definition. And I don't like my hair to be like just flat like this. I think it's boring. I like volume. I like curly textures, and it just, when I do wet it or whatever and it gives me like a beautiful curl pattern, that's cool. But it doesn't like, when it dries, it doesn't like fluff up, or you know, like, you know what I'm saying, like it doesn't fluff up and give me enough volume. So I have to take the curls apart. I have to, like, you know, manipulate it a little bit to give me some volume. And then once I manipulate it and play with it, it starts to like just completely unravel and just turn into a shit show. And this is what it is. It basically like is straight as fuck at the bottoms. And that's what I'm confused about. Like, so I don't know, like, it's just really weird. Like, this is my second time ordering from this company. Like, maybe like a year ago I had ordered from them, and I ordered their 3-bundle deal with the closure. It was like all 20 inches. Really good price or whatever. Hold on, y'all, let me get my chili. This is vegan chili, by the way, from my friend Melanie. Hey girl, it's so fucking good. It tastes like the real thing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and like put her Instagram and stuff in there. If you're in the St. Louis area, she is so good. She's so talented. She's a great model too. But anyway, so I ordered this hair like a year ago. First off, my closure, I bleached the closure like I see everybody else doing on motherfucking YouTube. Like I seen Sade doing on motherfucking YouTube. I did everything I was supposed to motherfucking do. But as soon as I like install, and that was my first like wig installation. Like I really like studied YouTube, and then I finally like put it to the test, my skills to the test, and I made my first wig with that hair. And y'all, it was just like a disaster. Like the closure literally, it matted at the base of the closure, so I couldn't like part it. I couldn't part it in different ways. I had to keep the middle part or whatever. And it just would not unravel. Like as soon as I tried to like unravel it or detangle it, it would like come out in chunks. Not only did the closure like just completely disintegrate on me, like the curl pattern was really different. I believe I had gotten the Malaysian kinky curly or something like that, some other kinky curly. It wasn't Mongolian, it was maybe Brazilian. It might have been Brazilian. But it was like I got the 20 inches, but it was like a really tight curl. It was a lot tighter than this one. And it probably came like to maybe right here or so, like that. But it was real, like the curl pattern was like what I wanted and what I liked. But the hair was just like extremely difficult to manage. Like, I mean, I finessed it. It looked cute from afar, but I don't want buyer's remorse, because now I have buyer's remorse, because it's just like, what the fuck is this? Like, I'm really disappointed, and I invested in this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I made my own wig. I finally got the method down. Like I learned from Sade the Ivy flip over method, but her version, like, you know, like she hooked me up, and I got the hair that she got, and it's just like, damn, like this doesn't look like what you guys give to Sade, you know what I'm saying, or like to other YouTubers or influencers, you know. Like it's really fucked up that when you're like a regular person or something, like they give you the bottom of the barrel, because you're not paying me to promote you guys' brand, you know what I'm saying? So I basically have to get like the bottom of the barrel. Like this doesn't look anything like Sade's. It doesn't have a shine. It barely has its curl. And I put mousse on here earlier today before I went to work, you guys. Like I swear to God, I put mousse on here. And this is what there is to show for it. Like it didn't clump up anything. It didn't like curl together. It didn't make like this beautiful curl. It's just like, what is this? It looks like a wet dog. And I'm just very disappointed overall. But I mean, I get some compliments on the hair sometimes, like from my friends. They'll be like, oh girl, you did a good job on the wig. And I'll be like, yeah, thanks girl. Like you can't really, I did a decent job. My hair is really thin in the front too, so you know, bear with me. But I did what I could do. But it's not bad as far as like the blending goes. What I usually do is I take my leave out, and I finally found a really good method. I put mousse on there. I would wet my hair, put mousse on there along with the Eco Styling gel, and then I would just like go ahead and twist my hair like this while it's wet and while the product is on there. And then the next day when I basically unravel it, it'll give me like a really awesome definition on my natural hair, like just beautiful definition. And so I'll just fluff it out, just blend it in, and then, you know, it turns out pretty good. Like I'm able to finesse it. But as far as like the hair, I'm just over it. You know, I guess you get what you pay for. So chalk it up to the game, whatever. If you guys had experiences like mine, you know, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Let me know. Like, I'm not tripping, I'm not crazy. You know, let me know your experiences with iSEE Beauty hair. So this is gonna be my last time purchasing from them. So all right, catch you guys later. Bye.